DeepMind and OpenAI are two of the world's leading artificial intelligence (AI) companies. DeepMind, which was acquired by Google's parent company Alphabet in 2014, focuses on creating AI that can solve complex problems and surpass human-level performance. On the other hand, OpenAI is a non-profit research company founded by Elon Musk and Sam Altman in 2015. OpenAI's mission is to develop and direct AI for the benefit of humanity as a whole. In recent years, it has become apparent just how far ahead DeepMind is compared to OpenAI. DeepMind's AI chatbot, Sparrow, outperforms OpenAI's chat in some areas. For example, while chat can help with research, writing essays and articles, Sparrow can cite sources and provide more detailed answers. Additionally, while both tools can be used to generate code, DeepMind's AlphaCode was able to achieve a competitive level of performance in programming competitions. Something that Chat failed to do. However, OpenAI still has some advantages. Their tool Copilot was released last year and is capable of solving similar programming problems. It also has more limited capabilities, but it has been more successful in simpler tasks than AlphaCode. Additionally, Copilot can be used to generate keys for public key cryptography systems. Ultimately, both companies have created powerful AI tools that have the potential to revolutionize the way we work and interact with technology. While DeepMind may have the edge in terms of performance, OpenAI is focused on developing AI for the benefit of humanity. This is an important distinction that should not be overlooked, and it will be interesting to see how these two companies evolve in the future.